Hi. Okay, it is the time to recap what we have learned so far. Okay. I highly recommend you to always search for help, and MATLAB is actually comes fully documented. So how to fetch help? Okay. You see this thing fx. If you press it, and in the search bar, if you search for anything, for instance, we want to search for square root. See, there are many things pops up to us, but we want this. So just as I hover, message pops up to me and tell me how the syntax of the function. Okay, this is very great. So just close it, and p is equal to sqrt, the number that we want. And this, okay, let us make it something we already know of 4, and it is 2. Okay, see, it's very great. uh, you might ask, is only square root, so if I want to, I do not want square root, I want to power 1 over 3 or any power but not square root. I want the root of something but not the square root. So how to solve this? Actually there is two way. You can actually make it like this, and here again let us use something we are familiar with, 8 for instance. It should be 2, and the answer is 2. If you noticed, I press something and it shows me the history. I forgot sorry to mention that if you press the up arrow, it will show you the history, and this is very cool. Just the up arrow to see everything you have typed before is completely here, saved here. See, uh, is there any way to find the root of something? So let us see nthroot, and here this is the syntax. We pass the x, the number, and the n is the root of the nth root of what we want to find its root. So let's apply this. If I want the root, if I want b, variable b, to be the root of 8 2, so okay, no, make it 3, and it should be what we already know is 2. Okay, this is very cool. uh, as I told you before, it is very good practice to always seek for help, either from here or from here. Type anything you want, and through documentation. In documentation, it's meant to be for large things, so you might want to search it for further reading. But here, it is very short, specific, helpful. The other way that you can find help, you just type help and you type the thing you want to know about, in this case nthroot. Okay, so nthroot is the real blah 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 shelter. CLC. There is also a handy function called power, which we can use. For instance, I want a to the power of 3 to 2, which we all know, and it is this. So again, if you want, type power, search comes for you. See here, this is the power. Okay, as I told you before, I want you always to search MATLAB here and documentation for further reading. From what we have known so far, MATLAB arithmetic is very simple. We will actually know that not not just arithmetic in MATLAB. Actually, most of operation in MATLAB is very handy, very simple, and that's why MATLAB is very preferred over any programming language, Python, C++, whatever. And see you guys soon. By the way, after every section there will be PDF, links, topics, etc. for further reading. I highly recommend you to open them. Thank you for joining me, and see you guys next. Bye bye.